bunny lived a toddler named Sweet Sunny. With a wiggle and a giggle, off she'd zoom. When she met a fluffy bunny with a nose so soft and funny, and they danced beneath the rainbow's bloom. Hop, hop, clap, 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 friends forever. Toddler and bunny adventure together through the flowers, skip and spin. With a wiggle tail grin, let the fun begin. Little bunny, let's go playing. Find the berry sweet and swaying. Sunny laughed, her tiny hand held out. Bunny twitched his whiskers, yes. Hopped ahead in his velvety dress. They shared a snack, no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Hop, hop, clap, 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 friends forever. Toddler and bunny adventures together through the flowers, skip and spin. With a wiggle tail grin, let the fun begin. Once a storm rumbled loud. Bunny hid his heart a cloud. Sunny whispered, "Don't be scared, my pal." She wrapped him in her teddy's cape, told a tale of stars agape. Now they splashed in puddles, hand in paw. Hop, hop, clap, 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 friends forever. Toddler and bunny adventures together through the flowers, skip and spin. With a wiggle tail grin, let the fun begin. When the moon climbed up so high, they curled close, a lullaby. Sleepy paws and tiny toes. Shh. Bunny nuzzled Sunny's cheek. Dreams of carrots, peekaboo peek. Best friends in a world of please and thanks. So if you see a toddler skipping or a bunny quietly hip-hopping, know their laughter never truly ends. For in every giggle, big or small, friendship's magic hugs us all. A toddler, a bunny, and love